Hello everyone, welcome back to English course with Aimen. Today's lesson is all about subject pronouns. Small words that make a big difference in how we speak, read, and write. Before you start watching, grab your worksheet and follow along so you can check your answers. Are you ready? Let's get started. When you are the one who's speaking, we use the pronoun I. It's the speaker. Example: I am Ahmed. I like coffee. But if we talk to someone else, in that case, we use you. We use this when looking directly at the person we are speaking to. Example: you are beautiful. You have nice hair. But when we talk about someone else, we use two different personal pronouns. If it's one male person, we use he. This is Salim. He's my brother. He's watching TV. But if we are talking about one female person, we simply switch to she. This is Maryam. She's my sister. She is reading a book. English is very organized. For one thing or one animal, we use it. It's the perfect word for everything that isn't a person. Example: this is my bag. It's nice. This is a cat. It's cute. Now let's look at groups. If you are part of the group, we use we. This is me with my students. We are in the classroom. If we are talking to a group of 2 or more people, we also use you. So it doesn't matter if you are talking to one person, 10 people, or even 1,000 people. We always use the same pronoun, you. You are my best students. Finally, if we are talking about a group of people, animals, or things, we use they. Example: these are my students. They are my friends. These are my dogs. They are playing. These are newspapers. They tell us about the world. Now is challenge time. I'll show you a picture. You have 5 seconds to say the correct pronoun. Let's begin. 1. That's he. He's playing football. 2. Yes, she. She's painting a picture. 3. The answer is I. I am your English teacher. 4. I am talking to you. You are watching this video. How many did you get right? Write your score in the comments. Don't worry if you missed one. Watch again and try one more time. If you want to do more practice, get in touch and get your worksheet. That's all for today's grammar lesson. Keep learning. I'll see you in another lesson.